Jai Hind, we are a student of Vishwaguru Vidyapit Talaja, class 12. We will tell you the importance of national flag and details of it. Do not wear clothes with color of the flag. Do not paint the flag on the face.
The national present form adopted in its present form on 22 July 1947.
Indian national flag is made of khaki cloth, a special type of handspoon cloth or shield, made popular by Mahatma Gandhi.
Our national flag is called Tiranga, which means tickles or tickled.
No other flag should be hoisted higher than the national flag.
It has three colors band. The top band is orange, the middle band is white, and the bottom band is green.
Each color has a special meaning. Orange is for bravery and courage, white is for peace and truth, and green for growth and nature's beauty.
Do not let the flag fall to the ground.
There is a wheel with 24 spokes in their blue color at the center.
Do not use the flag as a toy.
The national flag India is symbol for freedom and glory.
The Indian flag reminds us to The Indian flag reminds us to be brave, kind, and to keep learning every day, just like is the heroes in our favorite stories.
The Indian flag is not just a piece of cloth, it is a symbol of love, unity, and peace that brings people from all over India together.
We should give utmost respect to our national flag. Jai
Jai
Hind.
Hind.